Hey guys, and today I'm going over my Windows 11 optimization script that I've created, and obviously you can read all the features. It's a bit of yapper, but essentially it's just something you would use on like a clean install or whatnot. And obviously I've always been helping people with optimizing their PCs, and I guess this script kind of does most of it in a sense. And honestly, it just makes your life a bit easier. What can I say? Obviously when you set up a new install, you have to do stupid stuff like ease of access, blah blah blah. If you want to disable your float keys,
Do you want you
sticky keys and whatnot. Don't mind my speaking. I'm a bit shit, so I told you. But you get the point. You know, I've made it really simple. All you have to do is just copy this and paste it in a PowerShell window, which I'll showcase right now. So if I go my little virtual box, very nice, very clean, and obviously I'll just copy this and type in PowerShell and run it as admin. But obviously it's very simple. You can't really mess up. So obviously I pressed enter and it will give you a disclaimer. So this script will make significant changes to your system settings, and I am not responsible. Just letting you know that, okay? And it's telling you to make a system restore point. So I'm gonna do that right now. I don't know why I'm doing it in a virtual machine, but if I were you, I would create one. So make sure system protection is on, and then you can create one. Name it something like Kira Kira Beam or whatnot. I don't know, but obviously, always make a restore point right before you do anything. So obviously now we've got that. Now press enter, and you might see that the script might have a few references. Don't worry about that. Well, anyways, let's press enter and let the oops, yeah, I was wondering why it's taking so long. But yeah, obviously it starts doing everything for you, and you may get this little confirmation thing. Just type in A or yes, whatever you want. I just typed A because yes to all. That's probably something I should fix in the future, but I'm a bit of a bum right now, let's be honest. But yeah, let's continue. It's gonna remove OneDrive and whatnot, and probably more bloat. And we can probably see slowly getting rid of like stuff we don't need. And as you can see, OneDrive's literally gone, and other stuff. And yeah, it's literally a one-click tool in a sense. Very simple. You can't mess this up. And obviously, face your fears. And it's obviously telling you to restart. So I'll do that in a second. But obviously, you can just press enter to close it, and you can just close your PowerShell window. And obviously it opens up my little link tree and whatnot. If you want to stalk me, go ahead. I couldn't care less. Okay, maybe I would a bit. It'll make my heart skip a beat. But yeah, this essentially does most of the tweaks for you. And obviously you might still get a few pins here and there, like Outlook and whatnot, which you can just right click on and install. That's only 2 things. I mean, I probably should have got that in the first place, but it's not that deep. But you can see like how much deloaded I made Windows. So I'm gonna do a quick restart because yeah, some of the tweaks do require a restart, like networks and whatnot, and the CPU affinity stuff. I don't remember what the fuck I put in the script, but keeping it real here. I've also did some privacy settings. Maybe they applied, who knows. If I go on what's it, diagnostics, yeah, diagnostics is completely off. And yeah, that's literally it. It's honestly a quick showcase video. And yeah, let's go on task manager, since that's what you Fortnite kids love doing. See, 120 processes. I mean, it's a clean install. You probably won't get any more better than this. We've got low RAM usage and whatnot. And yeah, I probably should disable more stuff on startup, but here's the thing. It's kind of situational. I probably could like disable something like MS Edge by default, but you know, everyone's system is a bit different in their own ways, and yeah, I did try my best, like, because it's, you know, my first time and whatnot, but I think I've done a decent job. You know, I brought back the old right click and whatnot, and yeah, literally I just tidied up everything. You know, File Explorer, go straight into this PC and whatnot. You know, honestly, it's just one of those tools that makes your life a bit easier. And yeah, that's literally it for my showcase. There's nothing else, bro. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you wanna, you know, look at my other shitty projects that are definitely amazing, you know, you got Pi number guess. Oh, I'll save that for another time. But yeah, honestly, thank you for spending your time here. Kind of means a lot. But yeah,